Hi friend, this is Hitesh from Anup Kelkars Academy. So today we'll be back with another problem statement from SQL, which is from data lemma, which is asking LinkedIn SQL interview question. So let's see what is the problem statement first. Assume you have given a table which containing some job posting from the various companies on the LinkedIn profile platform. So we have to write a query to retrieve the count of number of companies those who have posted duplicate. How many number of companies are there? Those who have posted duplicate job role, a job listing. So a table definition is given to us. Duplicate job listing is nothing but that defined as two job listing within the same companies. They share identical title and identical description is there. So table schema is given to us. Job id is a column name, the integer type, company id integer type, title string type, description string type. Table data is given to us. Job id, actually it is a job id on which they had sent the job role. 248 from the company id. 827 they are hiring for business analyst, and what are their role in the company they had described in the description column. 149 is again job id. Okay, so again the from which company they are posted the job role, from the company id. Those were company ids. 845 again they are hiring for business analyst. Very next company those who are hiring from, their job id is 164, and their company role is, company id is nothing but 345. Again they are hiring for the data analyst, and their description is there. Next job id is 9164. Again they are hiring from the same company as of 345. Again the job role is data analyst, and description remains same. Next one they are hiring from the job role, they are posted their job role on the job id 172 from the company id. 244 from the data engineer, and their related description is given to us. There is how many duplicate companies are there, we have to write a query for that. Okay, first we will write what is required. So here we are using common table expression, which we usually call as the CTE. So we will try to give the common table expression name as a CTE. It is a common table expression, and within the common table expression we are trying to pass the query for it. Select what we want from the table. We want from the table company ID initially, title, description, description, and they have tried to find out the how many job IDs are there. For that we will use count function. From the how many job IDs are there, for those we are using job ID in the count function. We try to give the alias of this complete statement as a count. From the same company, that is a job listing is there. Job listing. Then we will try to perform the group by on the particular field, that is company ID. Company ID, title, description is there. Okay, so we had completed our common table expression with their name of the common table expression is CT. Now we will write the query for it. Based on the query, we will try to fetch the data from the city. So for that we will use first select statement from city. The city name is city. We have to find out the city from where the duplicate, where the count of those companies should be greater than 1, because we are usually taking the data from the city, that is common table expression. Okay, so we are trying to fetch all the data from the city. Now we will try to count the how many job roles are, how many companies IDs are there, those who are unique. So for that we will use distinct keyword from the company ID. And we will try to give the count of distinct company IDs, a column name as a unique, count of duplicate value is there. We will try to give the name of the column is a duplicate, count of duplicate jobs. So we had completed our query. Let's run this query. Some error is there at the line number 2. We don't use this one. We will try to give the column areas as the count only. We don't use any function for it. So here you will get, there are the 3 companies, those who are posted the same job role, same job description, more than 1. So now we will try to submit this query. Let's see whether we will get correct output or not. Yeah, so we had got the correct one. So there are the 3 companies, those who have posted the same job role more than 1 time, that is a duplicate job listing. So if you have any query regarding this problem statement, to comment us. Basically, before moving to this query, first you have to get the basic knowledge about common table expression. Actually it is a temporary table. Okay, from the temporary table we had write the query. It become very easy to write the query. So whenever you will get the such kind of problem statement which is uh, as lengthy as that, so for that you have to first create a temporary table as a city, that is a common table expression. Once you write the complete logic in that, then you have to use the select statement. From this common table expression they will try to fetch the data whatever required from the according to problem statement. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this problem statement, please do comment or subscribe this channel. Okay, so this is up today. Sign off.